Hi everyone, and today we are going to exploring more templates about personal applications. So the first application here are job application log. So you use this template for applying for jobs. This templates help you to applying for different jobs. So the first column here in our application is job title, and after that company name or website, and after that contact name or title, and after that phone, fax, email of the job, mailing address, and resume sent, how to send, reference sent, job description, keywords, application, interview, follow up, how I heard about this job. So this templates effectively help you to achieve your goal for applying for different jobs to find your dream jobs. Okay, this is about job application log. Here we have the second template in this lecture about personal application, and it's about vehicle service record. So you use this template for recording and tracking the service status of your vehicle. Okay, so here you will find the period start and the period end of your total service and total service cost, owner name, vehicle name, year, model, and the license number. Also you will find the service date and totals, and you will find the service here: change oil, lubrication, change oil filter, change air filter, change transmission fluid, flash cooling system, add antifreeze, align wheels, rotate tires, replace tires, adjust brakes, tune engine, and other surface. And once you enter this data, you will find the total of surface here in a specific date. Okay, also you will find the total of surfaces here for a specific date. Okay, this is about vehicle service record. Okay. The third application our lecture here are about daily checklist challenges. And if you have 4 person of your family, you will find each person has a matrix, and this matrix is about 2 components. The first component is about the days of the week. So there is Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, Friday, Sunday. Okay, and here is about the criterion you evaluate the performance of day. Okay, so the first criterion here is about nutrition and exercise, less TV, sleep, act of kindness. Okay, and you rate each criterion based on scale from 0 to 5, and here I put 0, here I put 4, here I put 5 to evaluate this is criterion over the days of the week. For the first person of my family is mom. Okay, and you will repeat this evaluation and rating based on 0 to 5 scale for each person for each day over the week. For mom, dad, Joy, Sarah. Okay, and this will be repeated accordingly for week 2, week 3, and week 4. Okay, and after entering the data, you will find the ring chart here with a percent of achievements and percent of evaluation challenge. Okay, and this percent is calculated based on these all rating of the matrix. Okay, this is about daily checklist challenge today. Okay, the fourth template today is about babysitter checklist. So we have here the time of the day from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, and here is the objectives the babysitter do about the baby care. Okay, and here is the meals, bath, book read, bottle, brush teeth, change, nap, snack, video watch it, discipline program, other, okay? And if you achieve this objective for a specific time, you just copy this done and paste it for these metrics, okay? So this template helps you to track the child care for your baby or child care for your business, okay? So it's called child care log. So if you want to use this template online, you will find this template from file, new, and right here child, and here is child care log. Double click and you will find the application, and you can save this application to your desktop or your personal computer from here, and select the destination, and here is you can use the template. So today we are using awesome 4 templates. The first one is about job application, and second one is about vehicle surface record, third one is about daily checklist challenge, and fourth one is about child care log. If you have any question, please contact me. Thank you, and see you in the next template.